Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so pairing works first. Make sure the case and both AirPods have charge. Low battery causes failures. On your iPhone or iPad, turn on Bluetooth and keep the device unlocked. On a Mac, open Bluetooth preferences. Open the AirPods case near the device, then tap the on-screen animation. If no prompt appears, press and hold the case's setup button until the LED flashes white. This forces discoverable mode, which is the step that gets the connection going. Once paired, you'll tailor how the AirPods behave and why each feature matters. Tap the device name to choose a custom name so you recognize them across your devices. Next, configure noise control. Switch between active noise cancellation for focus and transparency to hear your environment. Test both to pick the preferred default. Make sure to set up the stem squeeze controls for playback, Siri, or noise control, because customizing actions saves time and avoids accidental commands when wearing them. You're nearly done. Finish by verifying performance and resolving common snags. Test audio in music and calls, then enable spatial audio and head tracking so sound follows your movement. This improves immersion. Check firmware under the AirPods settings and keep your iPhone nearby to install updates automatically. If you encounter pairing or sound dropouts, reboot your phone and the AirPods. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.